Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beginner's Craft. How are you all? Hope you all fine and good and doing well. Today in this video I bring some latest collection for you, that is fairy wooden wall clocks ideas. Fairy wooden wall clocks is amazing clocks and beautiful amazing clocks. Fairy wooden wall clocks. So I hope you love this fairy wooden clock ideas. Very amazing and simple ideas, beautiful designs. I hope you love these designs. So watch this video. I hope you love this video. Amazing wooden wall clocks ideas. So guys, if you are new to my channel and watching my videos very first time, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates watching my new and previous videos. I hope you love my video, you love my all collection, beautiful collection, amazing collection. Fairy wooden wall clocks ideas, amazing home decoration ideas, beautiful and wall clocks. I hope you love this video, you love this collection, amazing and beautiful idea. I hope you love this video. So like my channel, share my channel from different platforms like Insta and Facebook. Goodbye and take care.